How you guys doing? I'm Andy and MightySoldiers Trades.
And I'm Sara.
And today, what did we trade today, Sara?
Today we traded a lot. We traded SSI for one, and they had news that the outlook is that it's rapidly improving, and that the stage store's conversion to off-price turns into a major winner.
So yeah, I traded SSI. It looked pretty good. I mean, it never really gave me any problems, so that's always the best kind of stock to trade.
Yeah.
When you don't have any problems.
Yeah, that was awesome.
And then what else we got?
VIVE.
VIVE, it was a problem, but I took it at a very, opportune moment.
Yeah, but they did an offering, I believe, yesterday, so
right.
It was, down from it.
Right, so nothing great.
Yeah.
And
we traded VHC, and they were down. I know they were down
really
over 50%, and they were down because the damage that was awarded against Apple has been vacated upon an appeal. So,
yeah, I grabbed VHC on that. I believe it was after the first halt around there, the first dump basically.
Yeah.
I grabbed that for the bounce, and then that second big dump, I was like, yeah, I got to get a hold of this. There was some reason why it was pretty hard to grab. I can't remember, but anyways, I grabbed it. Came out with profit. I could have held it a lot longer. It went up way higher than what you're seeing on the chart behind us, guys.
Yeah, it was a good trade.
Yeah, it was a really great trade. Had a good thesis on that one and could have let it play out, but you just got to take what you got sometimes.
Yeah.
Which, if you don't take your profit, then you're risking giving back your profit. So.
Exactly. So take
So
profit.
don't be greedy.
Yeah. And then we traded ASLN.
ASLN, yeah. ALSN, oh wow. I mean, what was it, like?
Oh my gosh.
A million times this stock was halted today.
A million times. It doesn't seem like you can move.
Every single time I was like, all right, getting it. Boom, halted. I'm like, and I could see that it was gonna halt, so I just stopped. I stopped my order right there.
Yeah.
And it happened so many times. I tried to grab a good moment, good spot on it, and couldn't really get a hold of anything with all these halts. And then finally, I did get a couple trades. They were some pretty solid trades, though, right?
Yeah. Couple
7% or I mean.
Yeah, there was a 7%er in there.
Yeah, I mean, so we got some pretty good profit in ALSN, but.
Right. There was some good profit.
Guys, I am sorry for whoever had to, be in that. I got stuck in a couple halts today.
Yeah, and I think it seemed, I don't even know how people were able to even get in with the halts. It seemed like it was unhalted, then halted again. Right?
Oh yeah, it was instantly halted. They slapped the walls below and above it within, 1 cent only, and just held it there. You could see them dialing down and raising up the walls.
Yeah.
And you knew it was about to halt.
Yeah, and the news on it was just that they had something published in a journal, and it's just like, okay, sometimes it just doesn't make sense.
If you guys ever see an ever-growing wall, above and below the price that it's trading at, right there, squeezing it, that's probably likely going to be a halt. Yeah. And what else did we trade?
CGIX?
CGIX, yeah, that was just, basically the volume wasn't really great in CGIX,
right,
but it traded good and kept going up. I could have held it, made a lot more profit, but didn't let it go. Again, just grab the profit that we know we can grab, and that's it. And not hold the losers that we know we shouldn't hold. That's the big part.
Yeah.
EYEG, that was my first stock that I was looking at this morning. It was very precarious, guys. It looked horrible. You knew this was coming. I knew it was coming. I knew this thing was going to fall flat on its face. All these upper shadows. It just, yeah, I mean, it was really predictable, but that's quite a big drop. So I hope nobody, hope none of you guys got stuck in that on the way down.
Right.
I know you wouldn't, because you wouldn't hold losers like that. Yeah, we're, so anyways, ain't no losers around here, guys. We know to cut our losses.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I mean, basically that's our day. I think a positive 1.35% on the week. That's, last week we had a bit of a loser.
Yeah.
We're green.
Green this week.
Green this week. Everything is good. And
green on the month, too.
Yeah, green on the month.
Got a week left in
Climbing
November.
up. I think this month is looking like it's going to be pretty good.
Yeah.
And again, if you guys can hear the little paw prints, that's our little chubby chihuahua.
Chubby chihuahua.
So, anyways, thanks for joining us. I'm Andy with MightySoldiers Trades.
And I'm Sara.
Come check us out.
Check us out. Hi, I'm Sara with MightySoldiers Trades. We really appreciate your support. If you like that video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.